Okay, so today we're talking about square and cubic unit conversions. So for example, if I look at a square is two-dimensional, has a length and a width. So if I want to know the area of this square, my area is 1 yard times 1 yard, which is 1 yard squared. So now if you're doing a conversion, and the conversion is asking you how many feet squared are in 1 yard squared, we know that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. We can look at the conversion table for that. So instead of being 1 yard on the side length, this equivalent square here would be 3 feet by 3 feet, making this area 3 times 3 or 9 feet squared. So 1 yard is 3 feet, but 1 square yard is 9 square feet. So basically, if I'm squaring one side, so if we're squaring all of this dimension with the unit included, I'm squaring the same conversion on the other side. A very common mistake that students make is they'll say 1 square yard is 3 square feet. But we really have to multiply twice. So now let's look and see what happens with our cubes. Like a square is two-dimensional, a cube is three-dimensional. So 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter will give me a volume here of 1 meter cubed. Now we have to see how many cubic feet are in that cubic meter. So if 1 meter is 3 28/100 of a foot, now I would have to do 3 28/100 times 3 28/100 times 3 28/100. So if we do that multiplication, times itself 3 times for the 3 dimensions, this volume would be approximately, let's make it to our hundredths place, 35 29/100 feet cubed. So if we do the cube, I'm really now going to multiply that value 3 times. For a square, we'll multiply it by itself 2 times, and for a cube, we will multiply it by itself 3 times. After we do that, we can use the same unit conversion strategy we did in the previous lesson, where we're going to use the unit conversion. So let's look at a couple quick examples. So how many square kilometers is in 1 square mile? So I'm going to make a little note to myself that a square is 2 times. So if I have 1 mile equal to 1.609 kilometers, that means that 1 square mile is going to be 1.609 kilometers times another 1.609 kilometers. If we do that multiplication, we will then get 2 point, we'll round again. We'll do an approximate. I don't know, I like the 2 decimal places. I find more than that to be a little cumbersome. We could save it in the calculator. I mean, it's 2.588881 officially. I'm rounding. In the reverse, now I want to know how many cubic feet are in 72 cubic inches. So I know that 1 foot is 12 inches. So if I have 1 cubic foot, I would do it this way. 1 cubic foot is 12 inches times 12 inches times 12 inches, which is going to give us something way bigger than 72. So 1 cubic foot for 1 foot cubed is the same as 1,728 cubic inches. I have 72 cubic inches. So 72 cubic inches out of our 1,728 cubic inches is my part of a foot. So 72 divided by 1,728 is going to be approximately, you know what, I'm going to keep it a fraction. It is 1/24 of a cubic foot. So that's just really kind of our first step for example 1 and example 2 as a second step. Just remember the most important thing is you're still going to use the conversions from the conversion charts, and then you're going to have to multiply it twice for a square and 3 times for a cube because the square has 2 dimensions and the cube has 3. Make sure you watch the video as many times as you need and continue on with the lesson, and don't forget to complete your exit ticket. See you soon. Bye.